Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths teacher from Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some questions of exercise 2C from question 13 to 25. Chapter 2, Polynomials, from the mathematics books R.S. Agrawal. Class students, our first question is question number 14. If a minus b, a and a plus b. Students, a minus b, a and a plus b are zeros of the polynomial 2x cube minus 6x square plus 5x minus 7. Write the value of a. Write the value of a. So, students, this polynomial 2x cube minus 6x square plus 5x minus 7, this is the cubic polynomial, because the maximum power of the variable is 3. So 3-degree polynomial, cubic polynomial, the number of zeros of the cubic polynomial is 3, and all zeros are given. First is a minus b, second is a, and third is a plus b. Okay, so write the value of a. Let's start solution. Let alpha equal to a minus b, beta equal to a, and gamma equal to a plus b are the three zeros, are the three zeros of the polynomial, are the three zeros of the polynomial 2x cube minus 6x square plus 5x minus 7. Okay, let alpha equal to a minus b, beta equal to a, and gamma equal to a plus b are the three zeros of the polynomial 2x cube minus 6x square plus 5x minus 7. So, students, we know that the sum of the zeros of a cubic polynomial, sum of the zeros of the given polynomial is equal to minus b by a. Okay, so b is the coefficient of x square minus coefficient of x square divided by a is the coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x cube. Okay, so we write sum of the zeros equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. So minus b minus and coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is minus 6. Okay, so we write minus 6 divided by coefficient of x cube, and the coefficient of x cube equal to 2. Okay, so 2, and put the value of alpha a minus b plus beta a and plus gamma a plus b equal to minus into minus plus 6 by 2. 2 3 ja 6. Minus b plus b is cancel, and a 3a equal to 3, and 3 3 cancel, and so a equal to 1. So the value of a equal to 1. Okay. Now students, our next question is question number 15 कि if x cube plus x square minus ax plus b, x cube plus x square minus ax plus b is divisible by x square minus x, is divisible by x square minus x. Write the value of a and b. So now if x cube plus x square minus ax plus b is divisible by x square minus x, divisible by इतना, then we say that remainder is 0. ओके. इफ यदि इतना डिविजिबल बाई इतना, अगर इतना पूरी तरह से डिविजिबल है एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स से, तो हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि इसका रिमाइंडर क्या होगा, 0 होगा. नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स डिविडेंड इज एक्स क्यूब प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस ए एक्स प्लस बी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब and minus x square. Sign change minus plus. It cancel x square and x square. 2x square minus ax plus b. Okay. Plus 2x square minus 2x. Sign change minus plus. Cancel 2x minus ax plus b. It means here is x is common, 2 minus a plus b. This is the remainder, and the remainder is 0. So the coefficient of x is 0 and b is 0. So 2 minus a equal to 0. So a equal to 2 and b equal to 0. Okay. Students, our next question is question number 21 कि if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx equal to x square minus 5x plus 2 such that कि alpha minus beta equal to 1, find the value of k. Find the value of k. So alpha and the beta are the zeros of this polynomial. This is the quadratic polynomial. It has two zeros, alpha and beta. Okay, so let's start solution. Given polynomial fx equal to x square minus 5x plus k. Okay, and alpha minus beta equal to 1, equation first. Okay, and alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial. So we know that कि alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial equal to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta equal to minus and coefficient of x, this is the minus 5 and coefficient of x square is 1. So 1. A is the coefficient of x square. So 1. This implies alpha plus beta equal to minus into minus plus 5. Okay, equation 2. है ना? So adding 1 and 2 we get adding 1 and 2 we get, so alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta equal to 5 and 1, 1 plus 5 equal to 6. So this imply minus beta plus beta is cancel, alpha plus alpha 2 alpha, 2 alpha equal to 6, 2 3 is 6, so alpha equal to 3. Okay, alpha equal to 3. And from equation first, alpha minus beta equal to 1, so alpha equal to 3, put the value of alpha, 3 minus beta equal to 1, so beta equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2, so beta equal to 2. Find the product of the zeros. Find the product of the zeros, alpha into beta. So students, alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial. So product of the zeros, alpha into beta equal to phi by a. So alpha into beta, so phi is the constant term is k, and a is the coefficient of x square. This is divided by 1. So alpha, the value of alpha equal to 3, and multiply beta equal to 2 equal to k. So k equal to 3 to the 6. Okay, so students, our next question is question number 22. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx equal to 6x square plus x minus 2. So here fx is the quadratic polynomial. Fx is the quadratic polynomial. So it has two zeros, and two zeros are, first is alpha and second is beta. Okay, and find the value of alpha by beta or plus beta by alpha. Okay, so let's start. Solution. Given polynomial, fx equal to 6x square plus x minus 2. Okay, and first of all find the sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros. So sum of the zeros equal to minus b by a, and b the minus b is the coefficient of x, and a is the coefficient of x square. So sum of the zeros, it means alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. So minus b by a, so minus, and b is the coefficient of x is 1, so minus 1 by a is the coefficient of x square is 6. Okay, and product of the zeros, it means alpha into beta, product of the zeros equal to phi by a. So it means alpha into beta equal to phi, the constant term, that is minus 2, and a is the coefficient of x square 6. 2 1 is 2, 3 is 6. So alpha into beta equal to minus 1 by 3. Here alpha plus beta, and that is alpha into beta. Okay, and now find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, take LCM, alpha into beta. So beta is cancelled, there is alpha square and plus beta square. Okay, and alpha square plus beta square by alpha into beta. So students, here look carefully, alpha plus beta का whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha into beta here, and find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Then alpha square plus beta square equal to अल्फा प्लस बीटा का होल स्क्वायर, और इसको इस साइड ले आएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा -2 अल्फा इंटू बीटा. ओके, अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू अल्फा प्लस बीटा का होल स्क्वायर -2 अल्फा इंटू बीटा. चूंकि 2 अल्फा इंटू बीटा इधर पॉजिटिव है, इधर ले आएंगे क्या हो जाएगा, निगेटिव हो जाएगा. तो अल्फा प्लस बीटा का होल स्क्वायर -2 अल्फा इंटू बीटा. सो पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर इक्वल टू अल्फा प्लस बीटा का होल स्क्वायर, अल्फा प्लस बीटा का होल स्क्वायर एंड -2 अल्फा इंटू बीटा डिवाइडेड बाई अल्फा इंटू बीटा. ऐसा इसलिए किए क्योंकि हमारे पास दोनों चीज का वैल्यू है, एक अल्फा प्लस बीटा का और एक अल्फा इंटू बीटा का, और यहाँ हमारा आ रहा है अल्फा स्क्वायर प्लस बीटा स्क्वायर. सो इसको हम लोग चेंज कर करके अल्फा प्लस बीटा और अल्फा इंटू बीटा के फॉर्म में क्या किए, कन्वर्ट कर दिए. चलिए अब वैल्यू पुट करने में हमें आसानी होगी. अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल टू -6 1/6, सो -1/6 का होल स्क्वायर -2, और अल्फा इंटू बीटा इक्वल टू -1/3 एंड हियर इज -1/3 and divided by -1/3 the alpha into beta. Okay, and next is -1/6 का होल स्क्वायर. दिस इम्प्लाई -1 का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1/36, क्योंकि माइनस इंटू माइनस क्या, प्लस, एंड माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, तो 2 × 1/3 प्लस 2/3 एंड बाई -1/3. ओके, एंड टेक एलसीएम 36, तो 1 प्लस 3 12 3 जा 36, 12 2 जा 24. ओके, एंड दिस इज द स्टूडेंट division sign, so divide -1/3 and 24 plus 1 25 by 36 and divide, convert in multiplication is with the multiplicative inverse 3/-1. Okay, so 12 3 is 36 and here 25 by -12, it means -25/12. Okay, and the value of alpha plus alpha by beta plus beta by alpha equal to -25/12. Friends, our next question, next and the last question of exercise 2C is 25 number. So if the zeros of the polynomial fx, if the zeros of the polynomial fx x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a and a plus b. Find the value of a and b. Students, fx is a cubic polynomial because the maximum power of the variable is 3, so it had 3 zeros and all zeros are given what in the form of a and b. So first is a minus b, a and a plus b. So find the value of a and b. Okay, so let's start. Given polynomial fx equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. Okay, and all zeros are given. So here alpha equal to a minus b, alpha, beta and gamma. Let alpha, beta and gamma are the 3 zeros of this given polynomial. Alpha, beta and gamma. Let alpha, beta and gamma are the 3 zeros of this polynomial. So alpha equal to a minus b, beta equal to a and gamma equal to a plus b are given. Okay, all are given. So first of all, we find the sum of the zeros of this cubic polynomial. So sum of the zeros of this cubic polynomial, it means alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. It means minus b by a. So put the value of alpha equal to a minus b plus a plus a plus b equal to minus, and b is the coefficient of x square, this is minus 3, and by a is the coefficient of x equal to 1. So b and b is cancel, 3a equal to 3 by 1, 3 is cancel, and a equal to 1. So the value of a equal to 1. Okay, and product of the zeros of this polynomial. So product of the zeros equal to alpha into beta into gamma equal to minus d by a. Minus d by a. So alpha into beta into gamma equal to a minus b into a plus b equal to d. D is the constant term, so minus 1, and a is the coefficient of x cube equal to 1. So a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square equal to minus 1. Okay, put the value of a equal to 1. So 1 into 1 का square 1 minus b square equal to minus 1, and 1 minus b square equal to minus 1, and b square equal to minus 1 plus 1 2, and b equal to plus minus root under 2. Okay, so the value of the b equal to plus minus root 2. Okay, a equal to 1 and b equal to plus minus root 2.